Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix new update available. Please update the game via the launcher. So if you are getting this error in the Call of Duty Black Ops 6 game, then here follow the steps. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Call of Duty and then select properties. Now next to language, here you have to change the language to another language. So for example, change the language to French. And then you will see the game will get updated. If your game is not getting updated, then click on update and this will update the game. So just wait for it. And once your game get updated, then again right click on Call of Duty, then select properties. Now change the language back to English and then again click on update and wait for it to get updated. And once your game get updated, and then you can launch the game and your error should be gone. So this solution has worked for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Now the second fix is to restart Battle.net or Steam launcher. So go to task manager. Now look for Steam, right click on it and select end task, and then you can relaunch the Steam and check if your problem is solved or not. If you have the game on Battle.net launcher, then again go to task manager, look for Battle.net, right click on it and select end task, then relaunch the Battle.net launcher and then you can launch the Black Ops 6 game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to repair the game files. To do so, open Steam, go to library, right click on Call of Duty game and select properties. Now go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check if the problem is solved or not. Now if you have the game on Battle.net, then open Battle.net, click on Call of Duty, then click on this gear icon, then select scan and repair and then click on begin scan. And after the scanning has been done, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily fix new update available. Please update the game via the launcher error in Black Ops 6. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.